everyone, today I'll be making Instant Pot potato salad. What all goes into the Instant Pot potato salad? 3 to 4 medium russet or Yukon gold potatoes, about 2.5 pounds, peeled and quartered if russets, halved if Yukon gold. 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup pickle juice, plus more to taste, and 3 tablespoons finely chopped dill pickles. All I have is hamburger dills. That will have to do. 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 1/2 cup chopped red onion, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 1 to 2 chopped scallions including the greens, 1 medium carrot peeled and finely chopped, 1/2 red bell pepper chopped, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and salt to taste. So let's begin. So take your Instant Pot, dump in 1 cup of water, then put in your steamer basket. I want to make sure my handle works because that's how I got to take it out and it's going to be hot. Then put in your potato quarters. I did cut some in smaller pieces because I want them to get done. I had bigger potatoes than what I think most russets are. Okay, I think that's plenty. I don't want to go too high up past the overfill line. That's about 3 large potatoes. Then set your 2 eggs on top of the potatoes. Then lock your lid on and make sure it's on sealing, which it is. I have never used anything but pressure cook on this before, so this will be different. You want to hit the steam. Now, if you don't have steam on your Instant Pot or your pressure cooker, then just do the manual or pressure cook and then high pressure in 5 minutes. All we're going to do is we're going to hit steam and then mark it down to, ow, buddy did that, sorry, and mark it down to 5 minutes. It'll bring up pressure, and once it hits pressure, it will count down the 5 minutes. So it has started its countdown. When it gets to the end, I'll be back. So it is done. Hit cancel and then do a quick release. So the pressure valve popped down. That means it's safe to open up the lid. Do not open it towards you or you'll get burned. So carefully remove the steam pot. They say to use one of these. And I'll lift that up and put it on the trivet. So then carefully remove your eggs and put them in cold water. So let them stay in the water for 10 minutes. So once your potatoes are cool enough to cut, we'll cube them and then put them in this bowl. It's still a little bit warm, but I can touch them. So some of them are going to be not fully done. I feel you need to make sure that you use smaller chunks of potatoes, I think. Okay, I'll finish that and I'll be back. All right, so all of the potatoes are cubed. I'm hoping my eggs are done. We'll peel them and cut them up, put them in a separate bowl. I think that's kind of like what you do with those little egg maker things. I don't remember what they're called, but you put them in there and heat them up. All right, so then we'll just cut it up. Into small pieces. And put it in the bowl. So we'll take our 1/4 cup of pickle juice, pour it over the potatoes, and gently fold them in Then add your 3 tablespoons of dill pickles, your 1/4 cup chopped parsley, your 1/2 cup chopped red onions, and your 1 to 2 scallions chopped up, your 1 carrot finely chopped, and your 2 stalks of celery chopped, your 2 chopped eggs, 1/2 of a red bell pepper chopped, and mix that up. My potato salads don't have all of this stuff. This looks very flavorful. Set that aside. Take a small bowl. Put in your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And you could probably use Miracle Whip if you would like. Then add your 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And then your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And I did a heaping half teaspoon just because I like pepper. And then mix that up until thoroughly combined. Add your dressing to the potato salad. I'm not sure what time Dave's going to get home. He's fighting the weather today. That's one thing nice about the potato salad. It can wait until he gets home to try it. Mix that until totally combined. Well, my suggestion for this, I mean, it seemed to work pretty good, but I would cut the potatoes into smaller chunks, and then I would actually probably do 6 minutes instead of 5 minutes for steaming. You can serve this right away, or you can chill it for later. Of course, like I just said, Dave's out on the road. I will chill it till he gets home. So here is the Instant Pot potato salad. And rounding out the meal is Parmesan crusted chicken. Let's see what Dave thinks. Dave loves his shirts. Check this one out.
Pretty crunchy.
Yeah, it's got a lot of stuff in it. That is Instant Pot potato salad.
Oh,
I cooked the potatoes and the eggs in the Instant Pot and then just mixed everything all together.
looks like I have some tomatoes and celery and onions.
You have onions
Carrots. Is
yeah.
it carrots?
You have onions and carrots and celery.
And peas?
Peppers and what?
Oh, I thought I saw a pea.
No, there's no pea.
Okay.
That is green onion.
Oh, okay. Little chunk.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.